Today we want to show you a creative solution to organizing your shop tools using a tool wall. Now there's a unique challenge to this task because the wall for said tool wall, well, it doesn't exist yet.
We just moved into this new shop and tools are everywhere.
And let me tell you, this, and this are definitely not working for us. So we want to use this area here near the assembly table, but as you can see, instead of a wall, there's a staircase here. So I thought to myself, you should build a wall and attach it to the staircase. So we're gonna do just that and hope the landlord also thinks it's the best idea he's heard all year.
We clear out some floor space and just quickly frame out an 8-foot long wall with studs 16 inches on center.
We then attach the wall to the staircase just using some simple brackets. Then we attach two panels that we pre-stained off camera. The panels are 1/8 inch thick and 4 feet by 8 feet. Now we can begin cutting strips of plywood to make our French cleat system.
Yeah, let's do a little montage strip cutting.
Cue catchy music.
We cut 5-inch strips on the table saw to make the cleats. Next, we cut a 45-degree angle in each strip.
To get that cut in the center of the strip, you move the table saw fence to half the width of the strip, which in our case is 5 inches, so we'll move it into 2.5 inches.
We don't set the fence yet because we still have to offset the cut to make up for the angle that we're cutting into it. It's actually super easy.
So you want to take the thickness of the material, and in our case it's 3/4 of an inch or 18 millimeters, and you're going to continue to move the fence towards the blade half the thickness, which would be 3/8 inch or 9 millimeters.
The fence is now set at 2 1/8 inch and the blade is set to 45 degrees.
And boom! Not perfect, but it's close enough for an unauthorized tool wall.
Since we know that studs are 16 inches on center, we can easily attach the cleats. We just measure out, mark a line, and of course pre-drilling always helps.
Kill shot! Now that the cleats are in place, we can return to the scrap plywood bin and start making some of these tool holders that are going to go on the wall.
With a few of the tool holders made, we can test to see how well they hold up. Also, obvious cool factor of the French cleat system is we can customize this wall.
Real quick, for anyone who doesn't know how a French cleat system works, I will show you. We cut the strips and you saw us attach it up here, and then here's the 45 degree, so here's the other half of the strip, and what you do is attach it to the back of whatever makeshift clamp you want to put on there, and then it just hooks on there, and the weight of it keeps it in place. Then you just hang your tools on it, it's on display, it's up off the floor, and there is now so much more room for activities. Hey guys, if you like the content that we're putting out and would like to support the channel some more, consider becoming a member of our channel.
And don't forget to like this video and check out the rest of our shop improvement playlist.